Alright, we're going to cover section 1.5 of the BJU Press Algebra 2 textbook, and it is about factoring binomials. So we're going to learn how to factor out common monomial factors and factor difference of squares and factor the sum or difference of cubes. So factoring is a method of expressing a long polynomial as a product. So remember, product means to multiply. It is an application of the distributed property, so it's kind of like reversing the distributed property. You can always check your factored answer by multiplying your factors together, and if you multiply your factors together, you should end up with the original polynomial. So you will always know if you got the answer right or not. Let's look at the basic steps for factoring binomials. So step 1, we want to factor out all common monomial factors. Okay, so sometimes you will have these and sometimes you won't, but if you do have any, you want to do that first. The second thing you want to do is you want to look for special cases. So you want to, like, difference of two squares. So use any special formulas, special cases. And we're going to look at what the difference of two squares look like in a second. Step 3 is make sure each factor is broken down as much as it can be. Okay, that might involve doing step 2 again, okay? So let's talk about step 1, factoring out all common monomial factors. Let's go ahead and give that a definition. So what is a common monomial factor? It is a factor of a polynomial common to all terms, and that's the important part. It has to be common to all terms in the polynomial. All right, I'd like to show you an example of what this looks like. So let's go ahead and look. We'll call this example